Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook stir-fried chicken with asparagus. This dish is very easy to cook and quite tasty. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a chicken breast and cut it into shreds. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 spoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of starch. Mix well and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Prepare some asparagus and cut them into short pieces. Boil some water and put the asparagus into the pot. Adding some cooking oil at this moment will make the vegetables look shiny and pretty. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Take the asparagus out from the pot after around 1 minute. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the marinated chicken in. Stir fry until the chicken is more or less cooked. Now put the asparagus in. Stir fry everything for a short while. Add a little bit salt. Mix well and turn off the fire. This dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.